On today's episode of Pierre and Friends, we will be heading to HRE Open House to take a behind-the-scenes look at HRE's manufacturing and car show. We dive into a bit of history and have a fun segment on Pierre and Friends' top 5 cars from the day. So buckle up for the ride, for this is Pierre and Friends.
Good morning, fellow Earthlings, and today we are starting our journey off by heading over to HRE Open House. But before we do that, you know how we do things here on Pierre and Friends. We love a good convoy. So right now we're going to pick up a couple very important buddies of ours. We got Rose and Sammy. We're going to throw them in the car. Damn, look at this M right here to my left. What a way to start the morning. What's going on, man? I saw the DRLs. I saw you right away. A few moments later, and now we have Mr. Sammy doing the back. We got Princess Morning, nice and ready and up and at 'em today. What's up, Miss Rosie? We got my passenger princess in the back.
And I'm in Chicago.
All right, here we go. We are at the first meetup spot, almost. That red light is the only thing stopping us. We're gonna flip a nice Yui right now. And let's see what they got over here. I already see a bunch of cars. Rashay, what's going on, cousin? Let's see what we got going on here.
What's up, Pierre?
Got the champ right here, Mr. Tenorio. How you doing, baby? Good. What's going on, man?
bro.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Good to see you, man. Looking good.
Clean, bro.
Thank you, man. Just trying to be like you, my boy.
Yeah,
A couple
yeah.
Lambos.
I saw you on the road,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, on the way
Yeah,
up,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
What's your name?
Roland.
Roland, Pierre. Nice to meet you, man. I saw the yellow DRLs. I was like, wait. I know that
When
one.
you rolled it, what the hell? I was like, I know you. I saw you on YouTube the other day.
That's awesome, man. Fun, man. It's gonna be a good time, man. Looking forward to it. We just touched down at the first meetup spot. We got Rose, we got Sammy, we got Rusey, we got my boy Luke behind the camera. And as you can see, we got some sick whips around me. Take a look at this. Damn, yeah, I didn't even see those tires, dude. Scope my boy 10 Oreo, man. My boy got some meat. I didn't even notice that, too. Wow, look at that spec, man. That's a spec if I ever seen one. Oh my God. That's crazy. Couple years, G80P. Looks like it's probably 750 something. We got all the cars out, we got the bulls out, we got the dogs out. You know what I'm saying? I love it. I love it. All right, that's the cue. Everyone's about to scram. Be safe, all right?
They're dipping, we're dipping.
You're gonna run it right now. That's the sound of the beast. Top of the morning, guys. We just touched down here at HRE. We had a safe trip. We got immaculate builds. I'm talking top of the line. HRE knows what they're doing. This is the HRE Open House. They do it once a year. They invite the public. They let everyone know what's going on. They let you in the factory. They tell everyone with the nice wheels. Even if you don't have HREs, you could come out and display your car. But It's a beautiful place out here in Vista, California, and basically we're gonna go check it out, see what they got to offer.
Plus 8 other champions competing in the most unique automobile racing series ever.
The heritage and staying power of a company are only gained through experience. Gaining experience is only done by withstanding the test of time. Credibility and prowess are not gained overnight. Instead, they are earned. HRE Wheels has been around since 1979, and their decades of truth in engineering has cemented them as a leader in the wheel industry and as an iconic name in the automotive aftermarket. HREs are an investment engineered and built to last a lifetime, and their designs have aged as gracefully as the cars they've graced. But I don't want to bore you too much, so I will pass it off to Pierre and friends so they can tell you the rest.
As you can see, HRE is not playing around right now, man. They got the setup, they're showing you where they manufacture, they do everything in-house, they got the monoblocks, they're drilling everything in-house before they ship it out to you. Man, it is really a sight to see. And I gotta say, if you're wondering why they charge a premium for their prices, now I understand why. Wow.
I see dead people. Aye, Mustard on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a free throw, man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna.
This is their once a year annual warehouse tour where they invite everyone out to come and show their builds, come and check out what they got to offer. They got everything from trucks to McLarens to BMWs, Teslas. Man, they got everything. We're gonna take you guys around and I'm gonna show you my top 5. Let's go check it out.
We have been told we are seeing only Pierre. Where are the friends? So this segment coming up is a top 5 cars that Pierre and friends have chosen.
Surprise, surprise. Of course I picked the BMW, but not the BMW you're thinking of. This might be a little curveball, not an M3, M4. I'm loving this new M2. I'm talking the new grille design. This particular one got carbon fiber everywhere. I'm talking on the side skirts, on the rear diffuser, on the front lip, everywhere, and I'm loving it. And it's got this baby blue periwinkle vibe going on it. I know y'all weren't thinking I was gonna pick an M2, but if I had to pick a car to leave with today, it's gotta be this one. I'm getting E46 all over this thing. A lot of people have been thinking they're going in the wrong direction. I'm loving this, guys. I gotta say, if I'm leaving today with a car, I'm taking this baby blue M2.
Pierre's pick was cute, blue M2. I'd probably buy that for my future wife. But if you want a man's car, you're going home in this 1998 Supra, 2JZ.
2JZ engine, no shit.
Dual overhead cam, twin turbo.
It's a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
You know, BMW, they copied this engine style. Inline 6, turbo. This is where it all started. Banging through the 6 gears, passing guys like these guys just passed me on camera. Man, I don't think there's anything better than this. I'm taking this home.
This is your car.
All right, boys, if I had to pick a car out of all the cars that we picked today, I would pick this beautiful 911. It's just giving European summer in Lake Como, Monaco, and it's a classic car that will just never go out of style. Out of all the cars that I've seen today, I'm picking this one to drive off.
All right, guys, so this is my favorite car. It's a Chevy Corvette Z06. Pero este coche es una chingonería, cabrón. O sea, mira las líneas de este coche, mira esto. O sea, la fibra carbón, chingón. O sea, el motor que tiene te hace mamar, güey. O sea, no mames. Este pinche coche carreritas con un Ferrari, le ganas, cabrón. Y el cabrón que pagó por el Ferrari pagó $500,000. Tú solo pagaste $200,000, güey. O sea, es una chingonería. No hay nada como este coche. En mi vida he visto algo así. Todo lo que hay aquí, este coche es el que yo me llevaría.
We got Germans, we got Italians, we got Japanese, we got all sorts of cars. I'm a Japanese man, so I gotta go with my Hondas. You know why? Because I drive a 93 Civic. I'm the type of guy that leaves the club with 2 ladies. That's why I'm taking both of them.
And that concludes our HRE episode with Pierre and friends. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned on all socials, for this is Pierre and Friends.